Once again everyone, welcome to another toy unboxing and review, and this time we will take a closer look at the Hot Wheels 2015 Mazda MX5 Miata. So this is a part of the Night Burner series, and this is the third car out of that series. So in the card art you can see the signature here of Mad Mike, because this is a Mad Mike design car. So this is from the L case? Yes, that's from the L case. So let's take it out of the plastic. So first thing I've noticed on this car is that it has a satin finish on the paint. Now the paint job looks good, except for some minor flaws here. In some area, in some areas in which the paint is not as pronounced as other parts, like here on the side. You see here, you can notice that the paint on the hood and on the side is really good, while here at the back the paint is thinner. You can see here at the edge of the plate number, here the edge near the taillight is lighter. So this one has cool looking rims. The front rims are different from the back rims. The back rims are 5 spokes, while the front is 10 spokes. So the front has a low profile tire, while the rear tire is thicker. So the base is plastic. Now the base does not have much details compared to other mainline cars. You can see the front suspension is not detailed very well, and there's no exhaust tip on this one. The interior is white. What I don't like about the interior here is that it has a solid steering wheel. There's some details on the molding though, but the steering wheel is just ugly for me. It's just a solid circle. And here I think in real life this is the radiator. It is white. They should have painted that one black to make it look like a shadow, but they decided to paint it white because this is part of the interior of the car. So the spoiler has a logo. Also the hood has Hot Wheels logo, the Mad Mike logo, and the Rotang Clan Mazda, and also the Mazda logo up front. However, the headlights and the rear and the taillights don't have details on them. Now, most Miatas, I really like how the car looks like. So this one is no exception. But what I don't like about the car is that the spoiler, I think is just too big and too tall for this one. So in retrospect, it looks like a shopping cart. Well, that's just my opinion. So I like how the windshield has a blue tint on this one. So overall, still a good looking car. I like the Miatas in this series because it has a different type of rims at the front and back. Some collectors don't like the idea, but for me, I like it because it's different. So that's it for my unboxing and review of the Hot Wheels 2015 Mazda MX5 Miata. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell, and keep on collecting, guys. See you soon. Bye.